Welcome to the Partner Portal from Danfoss. You can access it by going to partner.danfoss.com. If you haven't got access, you can become a partner by clicking here or the Sign Up button. If you already have access or a Danfoss profile, you can enter either up here or by using the Login button. And if you're a Danfoss employee, use your work email or the Danfoss Single Sign-On button. Now when you're logged into the Partner Portal, you see all the tools. If you don't have access to the tool you need, just submit an access request. Once it's approved, you will receive an email notification. Product Data Tool allows you to download any Danfoss product information. You can access it from the main screen. To start creating a package, first we need to name it. At the next step, we choose product data we would like to export. For instance, general product information, product attributes. It could be country-specific information or ATM data. At the next step, we need to select document types and images we would like to include to our export. After that, choose one or more languages for text and documents. Please note that if translation in a selected language is missing, the tool will provide it in English. Now, when you have the languages set up, click Next and copy the list of products from your file and paste it to the text box. The tool will validate it and notify you of the codes that need to be verified. Please note that any invalid code numbers will not be part of the export, as well as products outside of the Danfoss digital portfolio. The next and final step is choosing the download format. You can export data to Excel if you process it manually or in other formats for machine loading. Now we can start exporting data by clicking Create. The tool will start compressing data. Once the package is ready, the status will change to Complete, and the Download button will become active. On average, it takes from 30 seconds to 1 minute to prepare a package. It could take longer if your package is heavy. However, you don't need to stay on this page and wait, as the compression process is running in the background. You can leave the page and the tool will send an email notification once your package is complete. Besides downloading, you can also rename, duplicate or delete the package. To rename a package, click on the title and use the Edit button. To duplicate a package, use the Duplicate button, which is available in two places, in this window and on the main screen. Clicking the Duplicate button initiates the same process as creating a new package. The difference is that the fields and checkboxes throughout the process will be preselected just like in the package you are duplicating. Please note that every package is stored for 1 month. However, the duplication option remains available. If you would like to become part of our digital sales channels and sell through the stock availability and basket-to-basket feature, use the Stock Manager. Find Manage Stock and Branches and click the icon. On the left, you will see a panel to switch between Manage Stock and Branches. Use the first one to update the stock availability. First, download the template, add availability and upload the file to the tool. The tool will record all recent upload activities. To open a new branch, go to Manage Branches and create it manually or with the template. Apply changes in the template and update all branches at once. Don't remove actual branches from the file, unless you want to remove them from the list of branches. In addition to the Stock Manager and Product Data Tool, visit the Knowledge Hub to learn more about the Partner Portal and find other available information and assets relevant to you.